Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Oh, today I am here with a first impressions get ready with me. Haven't done one of these in a freaking minute. Basically, trying on some new products, some chit chat, some random shout outs of stuff that's coming up. This is the last, I said this probably a million times in this video, but this is the last get ready with me video of 2020. Holy shit. Anyway, if this is something that you are interested in, be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel so you never miss an upload, and of course, keep on watching. Okay, we're just gonna jump right into it. Scrubbing my lips. If you hear weird noises, Peach is freaking out. I'm running low on my orange soda scrub. I feel like I should have finished it by now, but I'm all cleansed. I used an eye mask, a brightening under eye mask, eye cream, toner spray. I'm using a priming moisturizer today, the Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. Definitely been making more of an effort to use this because I was doing that whole like, well, I'm gonna savor it thing. It is November 12th right now. However, when this goes up, it's December 14th, which is crazy. 2 days away from my Midwinter Makeup Magic series. Be sure to be ready, following me on my socials to see the first peek of each look, and then of course YouTube videos will be going live at noon. So the first impressions product is the Farsali Liquid Glass Radiance Make Skin Serum. This was an Ipsy product. It wasn't, I think it was an add-on. It came in a set of 3. I did give Jennifer one, and I'm almost finished with another one at this point. Oh my god. I like this one better than the pink one. Similar in texture, but a little bit more smooth, and like the pink reflect isn't there, which I personally like a lot just because of how pink I am, or can be, depending on the day. I don't know. I have the power. I was kind of iffy about opening up another concealer because right now I have my e.l.f. concealer that I only use for my cut crease. Kind of getting low. I have my Milani, which is relatively open, and then my breathable foundation stuff that's also like getting low. So it's like, do I really need to have another one open in the rotation? Probably not, but I'm going to. I'm trying the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Contour Concealer. Makes me wonder how this is gonna be, but I'm gonna be doing some spot concealing because I basically have the Rocky Mountain range on my face. So spot concealing, and then of course brightening the under eye. Feels nice going on. Ooh. So far I'm really liking how that's blending. It doesn't get that weird dry, patchy looking situation going. Really liking that. I realized I don't have an eye primer out here, but that's okay. I knew I was fucking forgetting something, so. And for foundation today, my Urban Decay All Nighter. This will be my last get ready with me of 2020. Well, at least it'll be uploaded in 2020. Usually that means I talk about how the year went. Do I even need to? I mean, fucking global pandemic, weight gain, stress. I finally figured out like an upload schedule. I've been, you know, like Monday, Wednesday, Friday at noon, unless I'm making some kind of an announcement like the spoilers for Follow Week, and then of course the next series, which is the Midwinter. Like that's fun. This is really what's been holding me together, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna go ahead and go off camera and use my Avon eye primer. Then I'm going to be setting my face as well as baking with my Jeffree Star translucent powder. And I'll be right back for the next step and first impressions product. I don't know if y'all are ready for the next product. The Jeffree Star Bloodlust. I'm having like a similar moment with this as I did with the Alien palette, where I saw pictures online and I'm like, oh, that's pretty. But then I see it in person and I'm like, ooh, that's pretty. I will bring y'all in, but I'm taking a fluffy brush and I'm going to be going into Deviant. Oh, this is really heavy. I'm going to be going into Deviant. And of course, the lighting is like all crazy, but oh my god. I love this application. I love this color. I'm obsessed. So now I'm going to be adding a crease color, and I'm going in with Blood Shade. Sorry, Blood Queen with a packing brush, and I'm adding that to my crease. really excited for the 3 Looks 1 palette for this palette. I'm going to be wetting a flat brush and adding to the center of my lid to kind of create like a halo eye moment. I'm going into this pink shimmery color called Wet Jewel. Whoa, holy shit. I was not expecting that kind of payoff. This is like otherworldly. I want to bathe in this. I don't know if this is gonna work. I have no idea. Wetting another flat brush. It's a little bit smaller because I want to use like less space on my eyelid. It's gonna be weird. Bear with me. I don't know if this is gonna work. I'm gonna go into the green though. Sworn Enemy. And I'm gonna be applying that on both sides of the lid. This is a different, of course I didn't do any research on these shadows, but this is definitely a different formula than the other one. It doesn't have that same like pop, and it's picking up totally different. I'm gonna reiterate the shades I've already used. I have these 2 like little angled brushes. I'm gonna take Scandal Water. I'm gonna apply that like here. And then I'm gonna take Vile Serpent and then I'm gonna apply that on the outer part of my under eye. Play around more with that Blood Queen purple. Blood Queen purple. I want to take Your Majesty and put that, actually do I? No. Take the crown and put that in my brow bone. A little bit different. I was going to do this one for inner corner highlight, but I'm going a different route. And I'm actually going to go ahead and take Pink Magic for my inner corner. Sweeping that dust away. Set this in. And I'm going to go off camera for brows and eyeliner. And I'll be back for a first impressions of a mascara. Ooh! Just to let you know, did my brows with my e.l.f. pencil as per usual. Are they really, that one looks darker on camera. Is it? Oh my god. Okay, whatever. I did put my Stila lip liner on very lightly. Very lightly. First impressions, I have the Mary Kay Lash Love Fanorama mascara. I know I just talked a bunch of mad shit in, I think it was my November empties on like their skincare stuff. So hopefully I don't need to be talking shit about this. I really like the application on the bottom lash. I'm going in with a couple of coats. Yeah, that's pretty good. I mean, it's not my favorite so far. Where it's really gonna come in, like I definitely appreciate the lower lash thing, and if that's what this is gonna be for, then cool. We'll see how it acts on the top. That's where I'm really critical. Okay, I really like for the bottom lash. Moment of Truth. I don't hate it. See, I do like this brush. It's not as big as I'd like, but it's definitely a really good texture. This is definitely better than my Beauty For Real. I like it. I don't love it, but I like it. It's one of the better ones I've used recently. It's not my absolute favorite. It's not gonna be a holy grail, but it's definitely like better than some of the ones that I've been using. First impressions, I do really like it. I do have concerns with how this is going to age. I have a feeling it's not going to last a fraction of what some of the other ones I have lasted. What? Okay, so I think this was September Boxycharm, this Phase Zero bronzer, blush, and highlight palette. I used the bronzer and the shimmery blush. So I will be using that bronzer again. I'm going to go in with that. So I will be using that other blush. It's funny, I had to go back really far to like find it, but I have a clean brush. I'm going into this pink blush here, the matte. Has a little bit of kick up, but like there was like a poof of powder and I tapped into it like 3 times lightly, so. Oh, it's very light. It's nice, it's buildable. I do want to add the other stuff to it sometime. Today is not the day for it because of the highlight that I'm using. And I think I just put too much on. I'm gonna add more bronzer. Yeah, I definitely really like this. This is super usable. I wasn't sure if I was gonna like want to give it away or not, but I don't think I'm going to. I definitely have a lot of face palettes right now though. The last 2 products are first impressions products, and we will be basically ready for the finished look. The highlighter that's in this beautiful jewelry box that I don't know what I'm gonna do with because it seems really excessive to keep it in there, but it feels so special. I don't know, but this is Jeffree Star highlighter. Oh. This also obviously came with my, I don't know if I mentioned this, I forget already, I'm distracted. Got a mystery box on Halloween. But this is the Extreme Lick My Glit Oh my god. So there's definitely like a bunch of purple reflect in here. It is more of a glitter, so I'm adding that with a packing brush, but I'm also putting my finger in it. That is like straight up glitter. It's not the formula I was expecting. I'm just gonna brush. It's fucking pretty though. I'm shook. Knowing that it was this consistency, I kind of feel like I should have put that other blush on, but it's fine. Clean it up a little bit. Quick spray. Now, for the final product and finished look, another Jeffree Star product. It is the gloss. That's why I did the lip liner and I wanted it to dry a little bit, but this is the gloss in Control Freak. How accurate. I don't even like glosses, but I love his gloss formula. And this is the finished look. I am so excited. Oh my god. There's not a product that I used today that I did not like. I feel a little bad that my first reaction to this highlight, which is fucking ridiculous, it's like straight up glitter, was a little underwhelming just because I wasn't expecting that formula. I've never actually used one of his highlighters. I've only used Liquid Frost. So that's the only reason. I'm so fucking excited for the Bloodlust palette and the 3 looks 1 palette video that's gonna be sometime next year just because of the rotation of stuff and whatever. I'll be honest with you, I don't want to take this face off today. I really don't. But like, do I want to go to the gym in this? Like I said earlier, this is my last get ready with me for 2020 as far as when it'll be released. So definitely be ready for all of the content coming over the next couple of weeks. I will have stuff scheduled for even like between Christmas and New Year's. But yeah, subscribe. Videos go live at noon. Never miss an upload. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, I really appreciate it. I appreciate the support. This has been such a fun creative outlet for me. If you have any ideas for other videos and stuff like that, comment down below, reach out to me, whatever. It's fun. Anyway, until the next one.